What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals, and today we're in the garage and we're gonna do a little quick install video. I'll show you the parts that I purchased, but quick backstory of why I purchased some of these items. These items was when I went to Laconia. You know, I took a bike trip. It was probably my only second time taking a bike trip, a long trip like that on a motorcycle. So I said to myself, I'm gonna pack light, and I accomplished it. One saddlebag I had, on the other side I had my camera gear plus, you know, tool roll, jump pack just in case, an air pump just in case that, you know, plugs into the 12-volt outlet. Space was limited, but I didn't mind that. That's what I accomplished. So I was thinking about it when I came home. You know, I really packed a lot of stuff for just 2 saddlebags. You got this side, and then you also got this side. Now, space was very limited on this bike when I took it to Laconia. As you can see, these saddlebags aren't that big. You know, clothes, rain gear, tools, and camera gear adds up real quick. So, what I did was I went on, I looked around, and I said maybe I should look into tour packs. Well, right now tour packs are too expensive for my blood right now, so I went another route. So now this bike doesn't have quick detach on the back. Just doesn't have it. So what I purchased was the Hogworkz quick detach, the sissy bar, and the back rack. Now I could have went with Harley, but all this stuff is a little expensive also. Hogwarts is a decent price. This is what I went with. So we're gonna take this out of the packaging, and we're gonna install it on the bike. Also, I bought a new raincoat. I was actually using a raincoat that is just a regular raincoat. It's not even a motorcycle specific raincoat. Alright, so let's get these bags off and let's get this stuff installed. So it's fairly simple to get these bags off. You just take these, unscrew these all the way, and they pop right out. So I'm not going to unscrew it all the way because I can't do it with one hand with the camera in the hand. So. What we're gonna do is we're gonna unbolt these 2 screws here and here. This plate slides right out. Put the new plate in. Yep, these are all Harley shocks. So I need to replace these because these shocks are trash. But as of right now, keep them on there, obviously. I don't know. Comment below, what do you think? Olin's, Legends, Fox, what do you guys run for the rears? Alright, so let's get these bolts out. So those are the pieces that came out in this little space here. This, like that. So we're actually going to next unpackage these. We'll get them all installed. So the finish on these are very nice. It's actually a nice piece. Doesn't seem flimsy like these. They came out of, these are just plastic. These are pretty much metal. So this is the first time I ever bought a Hogworkz product, so these actually feel nice, solid. And the finish is nice too. It matches the black of the bike. So, all right, let's get this installed. Alright, so they're installed. Obviously it's just these two bolts here, and slide this piece in. I tightened these down, not too tight yet. I want to put the sissy bar on, and then we'll put the luggage rack on. So there you have it, guys. I did a quick install of the Hogworkz. Quick detach, the luggage rack, and the sissy bar. I also brought out my saddleman bag here. And, you know, I don't know why Harley just didn't give me the quick detach and I wouldn't have to buy this. But hey, it's okay, so we got it now. And just to let everyone know, the reason why I bought all this stuff now is because I am going to Knoxville, Tennessee to Traveling Talls, Ride to the Hills. As you know, I know Barber CVO and Cycle Fanatix, and they are actually leaving before I am. I am going to be leaving Friday. They're leaving on Wednesday, and the reason why I decided to go with them and to meet them down there is because, you know what, they always support me and my channel. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go out there, support them. They're gonna do a meet and greet. I'll probably be hanging around, you know, meeting everyone else too. So it's gonna be a great time. Plus, I want to meet Traveling Tall, Queen Sid, and Robert Simmons. So it should be a good time. I'll be there from Friday to Monday, and you know, also I really wanted to Tail of the Dragon. It's the reason why I wanted to go so bad too, and I have an opportunity to go. So Tail of the Dragon, probably I'll be doing it on my own. Maybe I want to say Sunday, but we'll see. So there you have it, Knoxville, Tennessee. Here we go, and I'm ready and I'm prepared So if you like today's video, guys, please give it a like, get a subscribe. Also in the comments below, let me know if you're going down to Knoxville. If you are, come check out Traveling Tall, Queen Sit, Robert Simmons, Cycle Fanatix, and Barber CVO. I'll be there supporting them because you know why? They always support me. Have a great day, guys. Peace.